I do believe we're getting the last part of me filming today, because then I'd like to use some time uploading. And I think I made like 6 or 7 parts for the video today, so that's kind of enough. Need to now make sure it's all nice and visible. So polishing this outer sole, the bottom cup, which is one of my favorite systems here, and I'm guessing that I'm going to be okay with this here. It's conical. My dear phone, what's the problem again? Yeah. Why do I always have to take my phone out of the stand in order to solve this issue? Why? Anyone knows? Okay. Now, doesn't that head of the frame look shiny? Okay, start again. What I'm doing here is polishing the raised surface. I am hoping that this actually makes the surface denser, smoother, and it will live a little bit longer than otherwise. It just keeps rubbing. This looks pretty good. I like this system though too. I will show you later the other parts. I have assembled a freestyle mix and match headset, and that is the top race here that is sticking out. I like this kind of system because, funny enough, it lets me use one of these super old Italian top bolts, boltable top races, something like that. And this is obviously not exactly period correct what I'm using here. At least I don't think so. I do not remember where I got this part here, but I've been wanting to use this forever. It's obviously relatively classic. It's special to me because I only have one of those. And I think this is actually, let me think. It's not a German bicycle, that I remember. And it was rather heavy duty stuff. It's much better after a little bit of polish. Autosol. So here's my 2 most favorite polishing compounds. Autosol metal polish. This just, in my books, I've never experienced anything like this. If you have, I am waiting to hear from you, because there is always something that is the enemy of the good, the better. So I'm going to reach as far up as I can. This is all greased up. Okay. And again from the top. fresh gloves. There is a problem because I need this aluminium piece that I harvested when that bottom race, the old one, came out. Didn't fall off. Okay. Now go in. Behave yourself. Look at that. I think we're in harmony too today, my bicycle frame and me. Look at this. Perfect. Very good. Okay, now there's two options. Either I can find this or not. Pause.